In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Grok AI 2026, step by step. First, open your favorite web browser and head to grok.com. Make sure the address bar shows the official domain and the secure lock icon so you know you're in the right place. If the site takes a moment to load, give it a second. A quick refresh usually does the trick. I also recommend bookmarking the home page so you can return here easily next time. Once the homepage is open, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. That button will take you to the account portal for Grok. A redirect is normal here, so don't worry if the URL briefly changes. You're still on the official sign-in system. On the sign-in screen, choose the option that works best for you. Login with X is typically the fastest. If you pick that, make sure you're already signed into your X account in the same browser. You may be asked to authorize access. Review the prompt and confirm to continue. If your X account has two-factor authentication enabled, have your code ready. This step helps protect your account and keeps your information secure. If you prefer, you can use Google. Click the Google option, select your Google account, and follow the prompts. Again, you might see a quick security check or a consent screen. Approve it, and you'll be brought back to Grok signed in. You can also sign up by email. Enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Many providers will send a verification message, so check your inbox and spam folder, then click the link or paste the code if asked. If you're prompted to create a password, choose a strong one you haven't used elsewhere. It's a good idea to store it in a password manager for safekeeping. After you complete your chosen sign-in method, you should land back on grok.com with your new account active. If the page doesn't update automatically, try refreshing. If a method stalls or shows an error, switch to one of the other available options or open a private browsing window and try again. That's it, you've created your Grok account. From here, you can start exploring features and personalize your settings. If anything looks different on your screen, interfaces change from time to time, but the core flow remains the same. Go to grok.com, click Sign In, and authenticate with X, Google, or email. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Grok.